If you're seeing the message, "This site can't be reached in Chrome," don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through several quick and effective fixes step by step. This is one of those frustrating errors that can happen for a lot of different reasons, including a weak internet connection, a browser issue, a wrong website address, corrupted cache data, a VPN or proxy conflict, or even a DNS problem on your computer. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, check your internet connection. Before you start changing browser settings, make sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly, or if you're using a mobile hotspot or Ethernet cable, confirm that it's actually working. A really simple way to test this is to open another website and see if that one loads. If no websites are opening at all, then the issue is most likely your internet connection and not Chrome itself. In that case, try reconnecting to Wi-Fi, restarting your router, or switching to a different network if possible. If other websites work fine, then the problem is probably isolated to the site you're trying to reach or to Chrome specifically. Next, restart Google Chrome completely. Close the browser fully, not just the tab, and then open Chrome again. Sometimes temporary browser glitches can cause a connection error, and a simple restart is enough to clear them out. Once Chrome reopens, try loading the website again and see if the problem is gone. If the error still appears, move on to the next step. Now check the website address carefully. This may sound basic, but a small typing mistake can easily trigger this error. Look at the URL and make sure the spelling is correct. There are no extra spaces and no strange symbols have been added by accident. Even one incorrect character can prevent Chrome from finding the site. If you copied and pasted the address, double check that it was copied properly. After that, try refreshing the page or typing the address manually. If the site still won't open, the next thing to do is clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Over time, browser data can become corrupted or outdated, and that can block websites from loading correctly. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu in Chrome. From here, select cookies and other site data, and also select cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. Once that finishes, try visiting the website again. In many cases, clearing cache and the cookies will fix the issue right away because Chrome is forced to load fresh website data instead of using old stored files. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxy servers can sometimes block access to certain websites or cause Chrome to route traffic in a way that prevents the page from loading. If you have a VPN app running, turn it off temporarily. If you're using a proxy setting on your computer, disable that as well and then try the website again. This is a very common cause of connection problems, especially if a site works on one network but not another. Finally, flush your DNS cache. DNS is what helps your computer translate website names into the correct server addresses, and if that cached information becomes outdated or broken, websites may stop loading properly. To do this on Windows, press Windows and S, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Once the command runs, Windows will refresh its DNS records, which can often fix stubborn site connection errors in Chrome. After that, restart Chrome and try the website one more time. By now, one of these steps should have solved the problem. If your site still isn't loading, the issue may be with the website itself or with your network provider, but in most cases, these fixes will get Chrome working again quickly. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.